So dear students, this is the second session, so I just changed the video because it will be very best, it will be very better to catch the both situation in separate way. So now we will discuss about the capitalization of letter. When we have to use capital letters at the beginning, or when we have to use that capital words, capital letters. So there are total 8 rules to use the capital when we have to use capital letters. The first one is the whenever you just begin or start your sentence at the beginning of the sentence, you should capitalize the letter. Okay, like where is your father going? So we have to just we have to just use capital letter where, W. Okay, that's it. And the second one is I. Whenever you will use I as a pronoun, you have to just write down in a capital letter. Okay, as a pronoun. The third one, name of particular person, place, country, street, buildings. These all words will be used in capital letters. The first one, okay, not all. Okay, and the third one, titles, names of books, newspaper, trains, ships, and etc. will also use in capital letter. And day of weeks, months of year also will be used in capital letter. And the sixth one is school, college, companies, political parties, and the universities will also use in capital letter. And the seventh one is religion, brand's name also in capital letter. Special days and special events, marriage, functions, every will be used in capital letter. So this one is very short, so I hope there is no need to just explain, because it's very simple. All of you had get the point. So this was not to just explain with the example. It is very simple. You can just elaborate in your mind by the giving of this information, like pronoun I. So we have to just use the I in capital letter. Names, every person or things, a place, any kind of name or special event, we have to just use a capital letter. Okay, like special event means like marriage, so you have to use M in capital letter. Special days like birthday or Eid Miladun Nabi, like that. Religion, Islam. Okay, school one, Darul Huda Islamic University, like university. So we have to just write down the capital letter in capital letter. Companies like iPhone. Okay, political parties like Muslim League. That's it. Okay, Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. If you don't understand any statement or anything, you may ask the question in comment section. Okay, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.